Our M18 FUEL QUIK-LOK system has the versatility to perform a wide range of tasks across all 4 seasons. All these tools are powered by our M18 FUEL QUIK-LOK power head. It has the power to complete the most demanding applications, reaches full throttle in less than 1 second, and has perfect balance. This reduces user fatigue and provides maximum control during operation. This year, we're adding 5 new attachments to our QUIK-LOK system, making it one of the most useful on the market. They include our M18 cultivator attachment. This has the power to break up hard ground and rejuvenate planting beds and gardens. It has a 9-inch tooling width with durable steel blades. Next, we have our bed redefiner. And this puts that perfect edge, maintains that perfect edge around those planting beds. It is a durable steel blade that will maintain a 3-inch wide by 2 3/4-inch deep tapered edge. That tapered edge will help to prevent grass, weeds, and other material from growing into that bed. The deflector will evenly cast the material back into the bed, and it also has a cut line indicator so that you can identify the edge of that tapered edge. Next, we have our reciprocator. The reciprocator has dual 9-inch counter-rotating blades. They tend to throw a lot less material than a string trimmer, which makes them ideal for maintenance in high-traffic areas, as well as near buildings, vehicles. It's ideal for precision trimming and edging, and is safe to use against finished surfaces such as a painted fence. Next, we have our new hedge trimmer. This hedge trimmer is a lighter weight option for ground level trimming, as well as access to tighter areas. It has a 3/4-inch cut capacity and a 20-inch blade set that allows you to clear more in a single pass. And last, we have our new M18 FUEL blower attachment. This is ideal for extended reach cleaning in tight, hard to reach areas, as well as blowing clippings off of a tall hedge. It has an impressive 12 newtons of blow force and a noise level of 59 decibels. The tip is also capable to use any of our nozzle accessories. With class-leading performance, ergonomics, and the versatility of over 12 tools on our system, Milwaukee is the clear leader in this space, and we're going to continue to improve and expand upon our QUIK-LOK set of tools.